Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified back again with another easy tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to actually earn money with shrinkme.io. Now shrinkme.io is a service that lets you paste links in the system right here in shrinkme.io, and from there when people click your link they will first need to watch a advertisement to actually get to the link, and that way you earn money. Now this is a legit way of actually making some money. Don't expect it to be loads of money, but in the long term when you gather a lot of links it can be a very sustainable way of earning some extra money on this site. Now the first thing that you want to do is register. Now let me register real quick and I'll show you right away how to get into shrinkme.io. Once you've made an account on ShrinkMe, it looks something like this. Now here you see your total views, your total earnings, your revenue earnings, and the average cost per meal. So the average amount you get paid per 1,000 views. Now, as you can see right here, a load of options, and here you can create a new shortened link. Now the thing is, it's very important that people have to click on the link. So make sure to come over legit and be as trustworthy as possible. So don't do anything scammy, for example. Now let's say you've made a video on YouTube where people can click on the link. Now I can show you some really good examples on how to actually make money using the shrinkme.io method. Now the first thing that you can do, for example, let's say you made a tutorial explaining how to actually download Facebook. So how to download Facebook. Now as you can see there are a load of options, and here you see how to download a Facebook video to your computer, for example. Now let's check it out. And in the description, as you can see here, you have a video and a tool that lets you download videos. Now you can actually grab this link when you've created this video, put it in shrinkme.io, and as you can see it already got 10,000 views in only a couple of weeks. And let's say you've earned like 100, 200,000 views and all the people click on the link, it will earn you a lot of money. Now the next thing that you could actually earn money by ShrinkMe, let's say you have a tool or a program that let people download it. So you make a video about the tool or about the program and put the link in the bottom of the description, and from there you can actually earn some money. Now this is a very legit way on how to earn money, and it's easy to start. All you have to do is sign up and from there use their website. Now if you still get any questions regarding this method, please leave it in the comments down below. Leave a like and subscribe if this video has helped you, and thank you for watching.